some more cars here, so I gotta walk around again. There's a Bentley. Yeah, hopefully I'll go again. See who shows up. Nice Bentley. Excellent Chevy 2, man. Very cool. 327, 4-speed car. It's Kevin Matthews' truck. Stick that antenna back on there. There's the flip-flop Mustang. That thing is badass. Laid out on the ground there. Oh yeah. That is a sick car, man. What's up, buddy? How you doing? We got the Civic R. I don't think it's been running the whole time it was here. And we got this Lambo Huracan. Wow. Maybe I get those seats for my Fiero. They're in better shape than mine. It's pretty sick. And this thing, are those Saab wheels on the Supra, I think? 65 Mustang, 75 Eldorado. World's biggest front wheel drive car. And there's the Vette. It's very cool. And this is a Kia something. I don't know. It's cool. It says GT on it. It must be fast. This also cool. What is that? A Maserati or something? Aston Martin? I don't know. Aston Martin. Look at that thing. That's pretty cool. And we got a really cool Impala SS. That is sick. Rocking the LT1.
Yeah, decent one. Yeah, even if
hell yeah.
It would have 150,000 miles on it. Yeah,
that's good,
like
man.
Yeah.
And we got the Subarus in the corner. Oh, a lot of turbo pipes. There's something going on in there. Wow. All right, zoom, zoom. Just air intakes, I guess. All right, I don't know. Okay, and there is that Ambassador. That thing is really cool. It is a 343, if I remember correctly. 56 Ford. Kevin Matthews likes the front.
Yeah.
We got that 30-something Chevy. Very cool. Love this thing, man. Look at those fenders. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Small block all day long. That is an MG. Oh, wow. Is that a supercharger on this little MG? I think it is. Wow. There's so much cool stuff out here. That is really sick. Very cool. There's lucky number 7. Speaking of superchargers, blower on that thing. Pretty sick, pretty sick. We got our Fiero buddy out here. Get ready to put a 3.8 in that. We got Skylar's Fiero out here with a 3.8 already in it. Here's my SS. And this guy with the yellow Mustang looking good, man. Very cool, very cool. Oh. And we got a Fox body going the other way. And we got, this is Dave Mitchell's new car. It's pretty cool. Focus Civic R, super cool. Fastest Honda in the world or whatever. M3, other Beamer, another, this must be the BMW section. Oh, we got Mitchell sightings. That's a first. All right. And there's another Mustang, very cool, very cool. Hi there. That's it, man. A lot of cool stuff. Not it. Here's another Vette that just snuck up on me while I was facing the other way. There you go. 61, 2, 62. Beautiful. Very cool, man.
Thank you.
What motor's in this guy?
Yeah, 327, 340 horse.
Wow.
Not
No
the
kidding.
fuelie.
Not the fuelie.
No.
Cool though. That's really awesome. So what has it got? A single carb on it?
Four
Barrel? Nice. That's beautiful, man. 62. There was a guy out here with a 61 a couple of weeks ago. Maybe he'll come back. You guys they can make friends. All right. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. All right. There we go. Looking really good today.